What is going on, everybody? Today we are playing Teardown again, and we are in this old map. And if you guys actually have watched me at the beginning of when I first started this channel of when I used to not do commentary, there was this one video, Cars vs AT-AT, and I think it's called AT-AT. I don't know how to say it, but that's what I think it's called. But that is probably my most biggest video, and has 2,000 views. And somebody made it in AI now. I'm gonna spawn it in, and we're gonna have to survive from it. Now, just take a look at this thing. This just gives me back some memories. Alright, let's do that. And in addition, I don't watch Star Wars too, but I don't watch Star Wars actually, but. Oh, he might be. I think the AI might be trying to come after me now. But, we'll spawn in some, ships that will be, circling this area. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All we got to use is only this pistol too. Yep, I'll just have that open. Because this map is also really detailed. Actually, some people, if who played Teardown, they probably actually know this map. Oh boy. Some people who play Teardown actually might know this map, I'm not sure. Oh, that's not good. If, this map actually just, randomly disappeared off the workshop. But, luckily I found somebody who had re-uploaded this map. I'm, not sure what even happened to that map, because, it didn't even, when it got, gets removed, for some reason, it was just completely, gone from your workshop stuff, so yeah. Ooh, please no. I would open this, open it up. Oh, okay. Look at this, guys, okay. I think I would be dead, but I don't know, hold on. You never know. Let's just do this real quick. We're gonna hit it with a nice little Lamborghini that's probably gone down in a whole bunch of value now. Oh boy. Oh yeah, we're dead. You know, I could try shooting it, whatever that thing is. I'm not gonna have much luck shooting this, down. Maybe I need something a bit stronger, maybe a hunting rifle. How much will it take for this thing to actually go down? Yeah, so, I want to show the damage, but this thing... Hold on, I really want to show you guys the damage. Okay, yep. I want to show you guys the damage, but this thing keeps getting in my way, so... Really? Am I gonna have this much of a hard time trying to shoot this thing down? There we go. I think it's still alive. There we go. You know what? I might have that thing despawn the next time I do this. Let's go get rid of this thing too. Let's see if we can let's destroy this thing. Alright, guys. Okay, take a look at this. Look at that. Just a dying right there. Toppling. Oh, okay, over. Yep. Okay. Won't you love that? Won't you all love that? Won't you love it? It's just a beautiful thing. Yeah, let's see, what the damage is. Half the house is destroyed. Half the house is destroyed. That's a stove. This thing never goes. Oh yeah, that never goes. Oh yeah, I'm sure. Oh, let's see what's actually still. Okay, yeah, of course. Those are. Yeah. Yeah, I'm honestly kind of surprised. Oh. Maybe we should do this in another map instead of this map, because I think this house will always get destroyed. This house will get destroyed no matter what. Alright, we're in a 80s apartment block. This area is actually really cool, yeah. Alright, as you can already tell, it's a good sign seeing that. No. Oh, no. Elevators. It's not smart to use them, I know. Very dumb idea to be using them. But still. Okay, yep, no. I'll enter through there. I'll enter through there. 8th floor. Yep, 8th floor. No, probably shouldn't be using the elevators, but that's okay. Almost died there. Okay. All right, let's open. Please let me open. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's just get in another floor. All right. Okay, come on. Yo. I hear that I also forgot to mention there's an AT-AT thing on around instead of that floating shit. Oh. Okay, so it's gonna headbutt the air. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I think it killed itself. Did it? Yep, it did. Wow. Well, I don't think it really attempted to kill me there. Oh, dang. Okay, that did a lot of damage. Now, is there any damage on this? Is that damage? Is that damage? No? Is it? I can't tell. Oh, yeah, that is damage. Wait, is it? Wait, I really can't tell. Was that originally there? I'll have to look. I don't think that was. I don't know. Okay, I won't. It's gonna be hard for me to figure out what is this thing's damage or not. I think that might just be a random part of the apartment building just stuck in there. I don't know. But yeah, but look at this thing that got demolished. I don't know what happened to that AT-AT thingy. That thing was wandering, but it's gone now. Don't know where that. You know, I think it's inside here. Oh, I think it's stuck in here. I don't know. But just take a look at the damage. That's just kind of beautiful, kind of. I don't know. Beautiful. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna throw that away. Okay, so I guess there was damage. Because there really. Because there are those little things, and that one of those were completely missing. So yeah, I guess there was damage on the other one. We're gonna have like 2 of these in. I don't know how that might work out. We're gonna just like spawn right here. Oh no! I don't know. Please open. Please. Oh please. Okay. Yep. All right. Yep. Oh god. You know what? Let's open that. Let's go there and hope for the best. No. I don't know what I'm expecting. I'm gonna shoot it. Boop. Oh, I guess one's already down. That's good. Oh, that's useless. That wasn't. Oh no. Okay, I thought that he died there. I'll shoot that thing. Okay, I'm stuck. Okay, I guess that elevator was completely useless, I guess. Hey, it's dead. I think so. Or it's just incredibly angry. It's one of the two. Okay, yep, that's what got him. Oh! Alright. Hey, you good? Guys, I'm gonna enter in. I'm gonna enter that. Oh no 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 no. Ooh no. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, yep, I was kinda hoping to. Alright, yep, okay. Oh dang, okay. No, it never gets old with these type of deaths with these things. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, they're piled on top of each other. Yeah. This is way bigger, and better. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna have like probably 3 of these, maybe 4. I'll have 4 of the AT-ATs chasing me. We'll see how this. We'll see how it goes with 4. We might have to bump it up to 8. I don't know. Right. Yep. This is already. All right. Yep. Okay. Yeah. This is getting very laggy. However. Oh boy. You know what? Oh god. This is. No, it's not. Okay. Yep. No. 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 Please. I don't know how this feels. Oh no 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 no. Oh, I'm gonna jump on it. Oh boy, this is actually really laggy. Oh, okay. I think one of them just died. I don't know, cause the lag's kind of cleared up. Okay. Yep. Oh boy. Oh, I don't know if the lag's really cleared up. I don't think this is actually really lag. I don't think it's just physics issue. Something with physics and like engine related running laggy, I guess. I don't know. Oh boy. Oh come on. I need to get out of here. I mean get in here. I wanna see what it's like in here, because this actually has a full on interior. Okay, come on. Oh, is that? I don't know what that might have been. Oh. Oh, this is cool. Oh. Yeah. So. Okay then. Uh-oh. Wait. What's going on? Hold on. I gotta do some investigation. I don't hear the AT-ATs anymore. I think they're dead. Does that mean I'm gonna be soon gonna be start flying down? I'm gonna turn on the flashlight. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go inside another one, I guess, because they don't have like collision between them. I don't know. Yeah. Oh boy. Wait. Huh? Oh, this is really confusing. Oh, what's going on? Wait, please, let me in here. Oh, let me in here, please. Please, okay, I'm sorry. Oh, please. Oh, okay, I've flipped through. Oh no. Oh, and we all know somebody wouldn't be able to survive a fall like that, but, oh, I don't know what's going on. I don't think we should have. I think 2 is the max we should have it at. 2 is the max as we could have it to, I guess. Okay. Yep. Yeah, this is really laggy. Alright, 2's the max. Okay. Alright, I have 2. It's way less laggy. Yeah, hopefully I can actually try to enter one of them, because I want to see what that might end up like. How do I shoot that? I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't be doing that. Hey, that's dead already. That's dead already. Oh, that does not sound good. Hey, what's she doing? Oh, hold on. I would enter it. I would enter it. Did he break into my bathroom? I think he did. He probably broke into the restroom. Nope, he didn't. You know, we're really short for these doors. Kind of what I'm like. Is he in this one? Yeah, that's no room. Oh, I feel like that thing might be still alive. No, 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 and you know what? We're gonna pretend that never I'm dead, but oh boy. Just take a look at this. Oh my god. You know what? We're gonna have 2 lives. Okay, this is my last time, I guess. I got. Yep, come on. Okay, yep. Sledging that too, I guess. Wait. Through there. Uh-oh. Han? Might still be alive. I'm gonna try to enter it. I hit something. Oh no. Alright, enter into there. Hey, I'm getting through. Uh-oh. Oh, this thing's not dead. I thought that this thing was dead. I think it's still alive. Hey, I can kinda get through. Alright. Oh, what happens if I... I'm sorry, I'm really good at off-topic. That's actually cool, though. Okay, the amount of detail they put in this is actually cool. Oh, shoot. Ooh! Okay, yep. It kills it by shooting that. Oh! Oh, what's about to happen? You know, it must be hard for somebody to see in this little area, so I'll just make a bit more room. Oh, I'm dead. Are we? I think we're upside down. I don't know what's going on. I think we're upside down. I think we're upside down. Yeah, we're upside down. Oh, stuff like this. I don't know how this stuff happens. Yeah. Huh. That. Oh. Well, lucky me, I'm not in there. Yeah. This is probably where I'm going to leave it for the video. See you guys in the next video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And see you. Oh, that was a mistake. I think I would crash.